Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on story notifications of any accounts from your chat. Easy and quick. First, choose any account and hold on it like this, and here you will find story settings. Click on it, and here just click like this and it will be turned on. That's how to turn on story notifications. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.